Hi, I'm Elliot, an online product demonstrator for Rubi Tools, and this is the ND 7-inch Max, our portable electric cutter designed for the professional cutting of standard tiles and the occasional cutting of porcelain tiles. The ND 7-inch Max comes with a transparent splash guard so that you can always see the line of cut while you're cutting, but you don't get water splashed in your face. The machine also comes with a premium laser cut 7-inch blade for fast and smooth cuts that has a very long service life, which is extended by the immersion cooling system. Now let's talk about the water tank for a minute. The water tank is important because it keeps the bottom of the disc submerged underwater, which is how the disc is cooled. It's also important that the water tank has a minimum line and a maximum line so that you always know that you have the right amount of water in the tank. And the tank, coupled with the transparent splash guard, recycles the water that you're using to cool the disc to minimize mess. For straight cuts, the machine comes with a 16-inch extruded aluminum fence that has automatic alignment and is locked in place with a simple action lever. For large format tiles up to 24 inches long, there is a detachable table support. For diagonal cuts, the ND 7-inch Max is equipped with this aluminum guide that can be turned from 0 to 45 degrees that you can use on both sides of the machine, and that is designed to slide smoothly with low resistance along the fence. For making miter cuts, one side of the table is foldable at 22.5 and 45 degrees. That's our video on the ND 7-inch Max. If you have any questions, you can contact us via our website or social media, and I will see you at the next video.